right in the middle here. See this part? There's a circle to the He's just finishing his turn. And hit it as hard as you want or as light as you want. Very good. Be quiet and loud. Thank you. It's nice to hear you drum. Okay, now I learned another poem to share with you. I worked very hard to remember it. This poem is about a salmon. Have you ever eaten salmon? It's fish. Have you ever eaten fish?
I fish. I fish. Me too.
Can you make fish with your hand like this? Can you make some fish in the river? Now, 3 of our animals here sometimes eat fish. Can you guess which ones?
Bear.
Bear, yeah, Musquash eats fish. And who else might eat fish?
Ranger.
Eagle? Kihu? Kihu might eat fish, yeah, he might dive down and eat fish. And how about Mahikan? Do you think he would eat fish sometimes?
Yeah.
Maybe, he might, yeah, he might. But Apicimosus doesn't eat fish. But I eat fish. When I fish, I sometimes catch more than one. And when I catch more than one, if I catch even 2 or 3, I always put one back. And this is a story about when I put one back. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a salmon live. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which little finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. So I think Mushum caught some fish, and he threw one back because it bit his finger. But I always throw one back. That way we know there'll be fish next time. So the adults here are going to help you with an art project, and we're going to make our own prints. What kind of prints would we make? Yeah, we can make handprints or we can make footprints. So we're going to make some prints, and I think Mushum would like to come back and see our prints after. Would that be okay if you came back to take a look?
Yeah.
Okay, so for now we're going to say B'shot Mishko to Mushum. B'shot Mishko, Mushum. B'shot Mishko, children. I'll come back and see your handprints. Okay, so he's going to go back for a little rest.